Hello and welcome to the 2021 Nissan Patrol Nismo, which comes as great news with a bit of disappointing touch to it. But let's go find out what we have from Nismo, Nissan's performance brand, and what new they bring to the Nismo lineup. I am actually going to highlight a few salient points on the legend and spend the rest of the time with you guys appreciating Nkwa. Okay, let me introduce you to the Nissan Patrol Nismo, and that is what is approaching. It sure does look real Nismo-like, right? Nissan revealed the 2021 Nissan Patrol Nismo to the world, marking the latest chapter of Nissan's performance brand startup, okay? The new race-inspired version of the legendary Patrol combines strike series with refinement of luxury car and exhilarating performance of a sports car. That makes it great. In a jiffy, I'm actually going to jump into the track of the Nissan Patrol Nismo. But before I go ahead, if you're new to the channel and enjoy content like this, kindly slap a thumbs up and subscribe with the notification bell for more content like this. We really appreciate you guys, your time, kindness, as there are many other YouTubers begging for your indulgence with the same content, okay? Now, my disappointment has been with the fact that the SUV will be exclusively limited to customers in the ME region, and that begins the year-long celebration of the 70th anniversary of the Nissan Patrol since 1951, the 70th anniversary. The 2021 Nissan Patrol, as we are about to witness, goes across in the Middle East on sale from April 2021 at the starting price of AED 385,000, as in 105,000 US dollars inclusive of tax, and the pricing will vary from ME market to ME market. Right, so that is what we have, and this is the lineup that already exists. That is the 370Z Nismo, and then we also have the Nissan GT Nismo, and then the latest addition will be the Nissan Patrol Nismo that we are witnessing. Let me just do a voiceover with the video you're looking at, and then go ahead and tell you some of the things they've added to the Patrol when it comes up. And so the latest manifestation of the bold and sporty Nissan Patrol Nismo will underline Nissan's heritage as motorsports brand and the region's long-standing love for high-performance vehicles. Right, that is typical of the Middle East. Okay. While its exterior has been refined to allow for optimized aerodynamics and suspension, as well as achieving zero lift force, it also features enhanced handling capabilities and stylish race-inspired economic upgrades, along with the latest Nissan intelligent mobility, that's the NIM features. Okay, so that comes the Nissan Patrol Nismo 2021. Isn't it great looking? Yeah, I like the Nismo color scheme, the aerodynamics, the side skirts, and the front lit spoiler, the Falcon rear diffuser, and then the roof racks with the roof spoiler lip, and the 22-inch two-tone sports wheel that you see there. This looks great. The 2021 Nissan Patrol Nismo has also been upgraded with the latest Nissan intelligent mobility technology, that is the NIM, and that technology provides drivers with peace of mind while driving. Some of the components of the NIM technology will be the addition of emergency braking with pedestrian detection. You have the intelligent forward collision warning, smart rear view mirror, and a high beam assist. These technological upgrades to the Nissan Nismo also include Apple CarPlay compatibility and wireless charging capability and USB ports, including a USB Type A and Type C. Okay, so let's just have a look, enjoy it, and we'll get back to where we have to talk about it. Okay, unfortunately, the whole premiering was done in a native language, so it was a bit difficult to track everything they said, but I'll try as much as I can to go through this whole thing with you as it goes on. Okay, yeah, so you've got a 22-inch two-tone aluminum wheel sports rims, and this joins the 370cc Nismo and then the GTR Nismo to offer motorsports inspired aerodynamics and styling and superior handling characteristics and matched agility. This has been sculpted to almost perfection, isn't it? Yeah, just take a good look at it and tell me it's not like that. Yes, so the headlights, the front V-shaped grille with the active honeycomb grille, right? So beautiful, with the Nismo branding all over the vehicle. Very beautiful aerodynamics. That's great. So let's enjoy it together. Okay, so these are the functions: the front lift spoiler and the side aerodynamic functions there that helps the vehicle to do the zero lift functionality. It's a bit difficult trying to combine an SUV to get a sports feel, because at some point what you want conflicts itself. Aerodynamics and then ground clearance and sportiness, is a bit confliction. And this is what I love so much about it: the Falcon red wing, so great, so nice looking and reminiscent of the Nismos. You've got the roof lip spoiler that helps with downforce as it drives and continues to give you that sportiness in feeling. While the exterior of the Patrol Nismo boasts confidence, the interior exudes pure luxury and Nismo racing pedigree in equal measure. We'll just go into it and have a look. But like I was saying, the spacious front seats help drivers become one with the car, while the premium quality and crafted quilting continues the Nismo's narrative in bringing performance and luxury to its owners. You've got the Alcantara fabric with side leather and the upholstery of choice for racing cars. It's one of the latest design modifications to the Nismo to add to the plushness of the interior of this lineup. Okay. The black Alcantara steering wheel also takes its inspiration from racing cars, with red carbon fiber insets to provide a sporty and a dynamic feel. Headrests are also embossed with the signature Nismo logo that you've seen throughout the vehicle. The refresh center console and the dashboard adds to the signature Nismo interior, allowing drivers to make informed decisions in real time. And if you take a closer look, you realize there are two different touch screen infotainment. You have the 7-inch and the 8-inch all fitted in there, which helps you and gives you more information from the screen. The 2021 Nissan Patrol Nismo also features improvement in cabin quietness as a result of the reduction of frame vibration, while AC upgrades for the second row help provide more comfortable ride. Okay, so basically that is what we are looking at. The ride is smooth, the absorption of road noise and road roughness is all great looking, the tilt and angle of turn is all good, aerodynamics, ground clearance, booyah. Okay, that is a real Nismo in the making. Now, the 2021 Nissan Nismo is available in 4 exterior colors, and that would be namely the white pearl, the black solid, the gray, and then the silver metallic. So if you are in the Middle East and you're interested in such vehicles, just pay attention to it. So this is the all new Nissan Patrol Nismo 2021, but I cannot leave you without telling you about the engine room, the power plant under this, and it has been tuned. So the skill in the tuning the Patrol's V8 engine results in a concentrated 428 horsepower and a torque of 560 newton meters. Okay, yeah, so basically this is all that you need to know about the 2021 Nissan Patrol Nismo that came out today. We are so thankful for your being here. We appreciate you. Have a good day, and we'll meet you same time tomorrow.